Dear student, in this video we will have to express each the given number to a Roman numerals. Therefore, our first number is 164. In this conversion we will use the rules to write a Roman numeral as we have learned earlier. So, our first number is 164. So, 164 means 100 plus 60 plus 4. So, how will you write this? What is the symbol for 100? That is C. I will write C. And what is the symbol for 60? 60 means 50 plus 10. So, 50 plus 10 can be written as 50 symbol L and 10 should be added. Therefore, it will be written on right hand side. It becomes 60. And also we will have to 4. So, the symbol of 4 is this. So, this is the answer for 164. Now, we have to write the answer for 195. 195 means 100 plus 90 plus 5. For 100, I will write C, and for 90 means 10 less than 100. So, I will write 10 to the left of C. This is 90 and have to add 5. Therefore, I will write 5. So, the answer is CXCV. Okay. Now, we have to write 226. 226 means 200 plus 20 plus 6. Now, 200, it means 100 is there 2 times. What is the symbol for 100? That is C. So, I will write C in the repetition twice. And I will have to write 20. 20 means 2 times 10. So, I will write 10 symbol 2 times. And 6, what is the meaning of 6? That 5 plus 1, 6. So, this is the answer for the 226. Now, 341. 341 means 300 plus 40 plus 1. Here, 300. It means 100 is there 3 times. What is the symbol for 100? C. C. Therefore, I will write C thrice and 41. 41 means 40 plus 1. 40. How it become 40? It is 10 less than 50. Therefore, 50 and X will be written on the left side. So, it become 40. And I will write 1 here and 1 here. So, this is the answer for 341. Now, 475. 475 means 400 plus 50 plus 20 plus 5. We can written like this. Now, 400 is 100. 400 is 100 less than 500. Therefore, what is the symbol for 500? That is D. I will write D and subtract 100 from this. The 100 is C. Therefore, I will write CD. And 50. 50 means 10 less than 50. What is the symbol for 50? That is L. L and 10 less than. Okay. Therefore, it is XL. 20. 20 means 10 times 2. 10 coming 2 times. Therefore, X and X we will have to write twice. And 5 means V. So, this is the answer. I will write it jointly C, D, X, L, double X, V. This is the answer for 475. Now, I will write for 596. 596 means 500 plus 90 plus 6. So, 500 plus 90 plus 6. So, 500. What is the symbol for 500? That is D. And 90. 90 is 10 less than 100. Therefore, 100. 100 is C and 10 less than 100, that is X. 2 is written to the left hand side of C. And 6. 6 means 5 and 1, that is 6. Therefore, its answer will be D, X, C, V, I. Okay, now I will solve for 611. Now 611 means 600 plus 10 plus 1. So 600, it means 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100 mean, what is the symbol of 500? That is D. And we have to add 100, therefore C will be written on right hand side. And 10, what is the symbol for 10? That is X. And 1, that is I. So this is the answer for 611. Now 759. 759, it means 700 plus 50 plus 9. Now 700 means 500 plus 200. So 500 means D, and 200 we have to write. Therefore we will write C twice to the right hand side of D. And 50. 50 means what is symbol we have to use here? We have to use L. Therefore I will write L and add 9. What is the symbol for 9? That is 1x. IX. Okay. Now in this way we have convert all the Hindu-Arabic numerals to the Roman numeral as per using the laws of the Roman numerals and their with the help of their symbols. Okay. Now we have to express each as a Hindu-Arabic numeral. Here we are given the Roman numeral and we have to convert them into Hindu-Arabic numeral. So we will see XX, it means 10 plus 10. This is V, it means 5, and this is 1 plus 1. So what is the answer? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, and 2, that is 27. This is 27. Now here XXX, it is there 3 times, therefore 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 1 IV. IV means that is 4. So that is 34. Now XLV, X means 10 and this is L. X is written on the left side of L. L is, what is the meaning of L? L is 50. 50 and X is written on the left hand side, therefore it is 40. It means 50 minus 10 and 5 is added to this. Therefore 40 plus 5, it means 45. Now LIV, here this is 50 and this is 5 minus 1, that is 4. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 50 plus 4, that is 54. LXIV, it means L is 50, 10 plus 10 and IV, that is 4. It means 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 4, that is 74. Now XCI, now X is written to the left hand side of C, therefore we have to subtract 10 from 100. It means 100 minus 10 and add 1. Therefore 100 minus 10, 90. 90 plus 1, that is 91. Now XCVI. XC. C is 100. X is written to the left hand side. Therefore I will subtract 10 from 100. And VI, it means 5 plus 1. That is 90 plus 6, it means 96. Here this is X and C. So 100 minus 10 and this is 6. So this is 90 plus 6, that is 96. Here CXI. So 10 is added to 100. 100 plus 10 plus 1, that is 111. Here CLIV. So this is 100, this is 50, L mean 50 and this is 4. It means 154. Now CC. CC means 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100, that is 200. And this is 10 plus 10, and this is 4. 220 plus 4, that is 224. And this is 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. I will write it collectively 300. And this is LX. L mean 50 and X mean 10 and V mean 5. Therefore 350 plus 10, 60 plus 65. 365. The days of a year. C, D, X, I, V. So C and D. C is smaller, D is larger. Or D, C is, yes, this is 500 and it is 100. It means 100 is subtracted from 500 and 10 is added and 4 is added. Okay, it means 400 plus 10 plus 4. It means 414. CD, LX, IV. CD. D for 500. 500 minus 100 as C is written on the left hand side. LX. L means 50 and X mean 10 and this is 4. So 400 plus 50 plus 10, 464. 464. Now DVI. D means 500 and this is 5 and this is 1. Therefore 506. This is the answer. So in this video we have learned how to convert the Roman numeral to the Hindu Arabic numeral and Hindu Arabic numeral to the Roman numeral. Okay. Now